As a beauty therapist, beauty means so many different things, but first and foremost, I think it means being confident and being comfortable in the skin that you're in. It is the confidence that you ooze and signify to people when you're in a room.
How many years have you been in the beauty industry?
Wow, should we say this out loud? 23 years as a therapist and 10 years working as a trainer. The key things that I try and teach the students while they're here at the Masters is how to create customised experiences for each of their clients, as well as honing in and understanding a lot of the products and ingredients that they work with. Why do I love my job? There are so many reasons. I love mentoring students. I love watching students grow from day one to the day that they graduate. And I love being able to place them within salons and watch them begin their career in the industry. Some common mistakes in the industry that a new therapist should keep in mind is not to over-exfoliate your skin. Work your way up, find your place in the salon that has so many new and exciting treatments for you to always practice.